It's 2 p.m. Your eyelids are heavy. Focus, gone. Your brain feels foggy, your energy tank is on empty, and no matter how much coffee you drink, it just doesn't help. Sound familiar? You're not alone. This daily energy crash is more than just feeling tired. It's a biological signal. In this video, we're breaking down why you crash at 2 p.m. and, more importantly, how to fix it for good. Welcome to Science and Health Hub TV, where we decode the science of your body to help you live smarter, stronger, and more energized. The 2 p.m. crash is one of the most common complaints among adults, especially busy professionals, students, and anyone juggling life nonstop. But this slump isn't just part of aging or a sign that you need more caffeine. It's often caused by a combination of blood sugar imbalances, sleep disruption, poor food choices, dehydration, and even artificial lighting. Stick with us as we walk through a step-by-step breakdown of what causes your afternoon energy crash and how to fix it naturally so your days are productive, focused, and energized from morning till night. Part 1. What happens at 2 p.m.? Let's start with what's really happening inside your body when the crash hits. By mid-afternoon, your circadian rhythm naturally dips, a normal lull that happens around 1 to 3 p.m. But if your body isn't properly supported, this lull becomes a full-blown crash. Common symptoms include fatigue, brain fog, cravings for sugar or caffeine, moodiness, difficulty concentrating. If you skip breakfast, eat a carb-heavy lunch, or rely on caffeine to power through the morning, you're setting yourself up for a dramatic drop in blood sugar and cortisol levels by 2 p.m. Part 2. The blood sugar crash effect. Your 2 p.m. crash is often a blood sugar crash in disguise. When you eat processed carbs or sugar early in the day, think cereal, muffins, or toast, your blood sugar spikes. The body releases insulin to bring sugar levels down, often overcorrecting. This leads to a crash, leaving you tired, hungry, and unfocused by mid-afternoon. The more you repeat this cycle, the more insulin-resistant and energy-drained you become. Fixing this starts with balancing your blood sugar from the start of the day. Part 3. How to build an energy-stabilizing morning routine. Start with a high-protein, high-fat breakfast. Examples include eggs with avocado, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, protein smoothie with almond butter and spinach. This combination stabilizes your blood sugar, supports dopamine production, and prevents the roller coaster crash hours later. Follow it with light movement, like a 10-minute walk in natural sunlight, to reinforce your circadian rhythm and boost energy without caffeine. And yes, limit or delay caffeine until after you've eaten to avoid cortisol spikes that can lead to early energy dips. Part 4. What to eat and not eat for lunch. Lunch is your second opportunity to prevent the 2 p.m. crash. The worst lunch? Processed sandwiches, white rice or pasta fried foods, sugary drinks. These cause another sharp spike in glucose followed by a crash. Instead, go for lean proteins, chicken, salmon, tofu. Complex carbs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, brown rice. Healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, avocado fiber-rich vegetables, broccoli, spinach, carrots. The key is to create a meal that digests slowly, keeps your energy steady, and feeds your brain, not sedates it. Part 5. Beat the crash with movement and light. Around 1 p.m., your body naturally wants to rest, but you don't have to surrender to sleepiness. Instead, do a quick 5 to 10-minute reset. Walk outdoors. Sunlight boosts alertness. Do light stretching or standing desk exercises. Try deep breathing or a short guided meditation. These actions stimulate blood flow, oxygenate your brain, and reset your energy without needing another cup of coffee. Avoid heavy sitting, screens, and dim lighting during this window. They all send signals to your brain that it's time to shut down. Part 6. Hydration and hidden energy. Zappers. Dehydration is another sneaky cause of fatigue. Even mild dehydration can reduce mental clarity and trigger sleepiness. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Add electrolytes in the morning or after lunch for a steady energy boost. Also, check these energy zappers: artificial lighting and no sunlight exposure, lack of physical movement, over-reliance on caffeine, skipping meals, blue light exposure disrupting your circadian rhythm. Fixing these small habits has a massive impact on your afternoon energy. So next time 2 p.m. rolls around, don't reach for a third cup of coffee. Fix your fatigue at the root by supporting your blood sugar, staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, and getting natural light and movement. Remember, the 2 p.m. crash is optional. Your body was designed to feel energized and focused all day. It just needs the right support. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Drop a comment below with your biggest 2 p.m. struggle, or what you'll try starting tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly health hacks that actually work. Your energy is your power. Let's protect it.